Uh, then Brendan, I'm saying fucking not Brendan Rodgers, Jurgen Klopp. Jurgen Klopp doing
Please,
that,
please don't make that
that
mistake.
never ever ever again.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to episode 4 of Menace and the Monk. We are continuing the theme from episode 3, where I spoke about my favorite game at Anfield. So, continuing with that, today it's only fair that Manas gets to speak about his favorite game at Anfield. He's watched a few games, not a couple. He's watched a few games at Anfield. So, without wasting any time, why don't you hear from the man himself? Manas, what's your favorite game at Anfield?
Hi, thank you for giving me this munch for speaking. First of all, Nidhi, मैंने ज़्यादा गेम नहीं देखे हैं, 6 गेम देखे एनफील्ड पे. You and me have seen a great game together. Unfortunately, we lost. That was the Champions League final in 2018. So next season, मैं 2019, I went to Liverpool just for 4 days because
मुझे वहाँ की शाम बहुत पसंद है. नहीं, टोपी भी बहुत अच्छी लग रही है. आप पे बहुत सूट हो रही है.
I wanted to see a game. अभी चस्का लग गया. Once you go to Anfield, you want to go again and again. So देखना ही था game and I went in April. मैंने ये plan किया कि April में ठंडी नहीं होगी and I will go and watch the game and I was so fucking wrong. शाम हो गए थे मेरे. April में it was 2 degrees, 3 degrees. Anyway, so I went to watch Liverpool versus Chelsea. The 2-0 win where Mane and Salah scored. Just a quick build-up.
Salah scored that goal. Salah scored that goal.
That goal. Anyway, so I'll describe that goal as well, where I was sitting. We went to the Champions League final. There was something happening. There was momentum. And even that season, we lost the game that I saw and the season that we had. We ended up winning the Champions League, by the way. But league, maybe we finished with double-digit consecutive wins, if I'm not wrong. We just kept on winning. We kept on winning. So building up to the game, I was at Sandon. और हमारे गेम के पहले Palace were playing City, and everyone who was going to watch the game was in that pub. And urging on Palace, come on Palace, and City easily won. But like I mentioned, this was my 6th game, and so obviously the excitement level to go into Anfield was little lesser. कि मतलब 2 घंटे पहले नहीं जाना था. So I met a few people in Sandon and having a few drinks, and so I ended up entering 10 minutes पहले before the game. But the beautiful thing was I went when we were commemorating Hillsborough. So I was in the top row, like you see these things for years and years. मैंने तो कम से कम 15-20 साल से देखा है. In April there comes a match stage, इधर सब we have a moment of silence. मैं वो Bojack में था. I was holding that, मेरे seat पे रखा हुआ था, and that minute of silence, just 53,000 people silent, and credit to the Chelsea fans, they were silent as well. And it was a beautifully observed minute silence. और उसके बाद जब referee blew the whistle, और जो आवाज है,
Come on! Yeah, get him down! Come on, Revenge!
It was crazy. It was a very crazy game, Nidhi, because we were going for the title.
Yeah.
It felt we deserved to win the league this time. We were unbelievable. Uh, we had a really decent side, but we were up against Eden Hazard and Chelsea. So, we think, like when you're supposed to win the league, a certain Steven Gerrard slipped. So, it had that also. I think the match days were similar. The date on the games were aju baju as well. So there was so much riding on that game, and the game started. One thing I will just mention: halftime tak, I saw Allison and Van Dijk play in person for the first time. Allison for the first time, Van Dijk the Champions League final में देखा था. The ease that which they
Yeah.
played
Totally.
is just remarkable. Like it's just at their own pace. Everything is happening. And halftime it was 0-0. And
Yeah.
I remembered I didn't go to pee, still sitting in my seat. And I was like, what अगर ये game हम लोग drop करेंगे points, तो public मेरे को कितना गाली देगा ना कि भैंचो तू गया और we drop points after ages. And I was thinking, shit यार मतलब यार आज तो मत करो यार, please यार, like that was obviously a very personal thing. But then the second half started and the players were attacking the cop.
Yeah.
The cop. Oh my God. I have not heard sound like that. Intense, insane. It felt like the cop was another player on the field. It was.
Exactly.
It felt that everyone in the cop felt कि उनकी responsibility है that we win this game. Simple as that. And we started very quickly right off the blocks. Henderson crossed from the right. Mane left unmarked. He headed. And he slid and he celebrated in front of us. Okay. And everyone goes fucking crazy. Okay. Now I'm like, yes, fuck, everyone's like, but it was still not over the top celebration because we're like, it's still 1-0, it's still Chelsea. But a few moments later, Virgil van Dijk plays that long diagonal to Salah. Okay? And I am seeing, and we are singing Sadio Mane, and we sing, we shall not be moved. And what followed in the next 10 seconds, Niti? That pass to that attempt from Mo Salah. I was at the top corner के 5 rows ऊपर. So when Salah strikes it, actually the ball come, and I'm like, it is in slow motion. For me, it is in slow motion. And I was literally like your kid right now. I was so excited when I was seeing the ball come, and it just touched the top corner, Nidhi. And uske baad, okay, so when I saw the replay of the goal and the game later, you just Salah ये सब किया था ना. And those next 10 seconds are pure ecstasy. Like if I could relive 10 seconds again in my life, I think it would be that. And so Mo Salah ball लेता है, shifts it around, and so वो जो गोल पोस्ट का कॉर्नर है ना, उसके 3-4 रो या 5-6 रो ऊपर ही हमारे टिकट जाता है. हमारे टिकट में ऐसे बोल रहे जैसे हमारे टिकट है जनरल. But he shoots it, okay, और ये सब स्लो मोशन में हुआ नहीं, as filmy as it sounds. ये आया and Kepa is diving and he can't reach it. I could hear the ball hitting the net, and fucking hell, Nidhi, all hell broke loose. मैं किधर हूँ मेरे को पता नहीं. I'm hugging strangers, people are kissing on my cheeks. गेम के बाद मैंने देखा वो गोल. I didn't see Mo Salah do this. ये वो, you know, like मेरे को तो पता भी नहीं था players किधर थे. They were on the far end over there, and Mo Salah did the namaste and whatnot. It was just crazy. After that, Chelsea had a bit of spell. They hit the woodwork a few times. But the atmosphere, the ale, and we shall not be moved after that goal, Nidhi. I think at Goodison Park, if they were playing, they would have heard it aram se. Like, it was so fucking loud. And I think that is the first time in the game मैंने phone निकाला अपना. जब साला ने गोल मारा ना, मैंने बोला ये आवाज मेरे को रिकॉर्ड करनी है bro. Like, this is loud, bro. This is absolutely loud. And I thought कि first of all कि A, at least मेरे वजह से drops नहीं किया points. और B, we are still in it. We can still win the league. And Chelsea had their thing. They had their possession. And the game got done. And I have some visuals as well of all the players applauding the cop. Then Brendan, I'm saying fucking not Brendan Rodgers, Jurgen Klopp. Jurgen Klopp doing that. You know,
Please don't make that mistake.
Never, ever again. But Klopp कर रहा था ऐसे, and then all the players when they were applauding now, you felt the Klopp, you know, like returning back the applause and come on, you felt that something special is happening, you know, that feeling, that goal, you know, like the Sandon bit where we were disappointed, City won, then the minute silence. Then the roar after that, then the Salah goal, then the Klopp acknowledging the players that what a great effort you guys are doing. That in itself was worth the 4-5 days that I spent in Liverpool. It was just beautiful. It was a very emotional experience to finally get over that Gerrard slip, then to commemorate Hillsborough, to watch one of the best goals scored by Salah at Anfield. When I look back, Peter Drury commentary, Martin Tyler commentary, I can say, bro, I was there. You know, I was there for that goal. And
a worldie and a half, Peter Drury, like golden words, man.
Yeah, worldie and a half. And Martin Tyler said like an arrow into the top corner, something I still remember. But the next day, Nidhi, I have this very special thing which I'm going to show. So I went next day. It was Hillsborough 30th anniversary in the Kop. I was there for that. I still have it. It was just a remarkable 4-5 days that I spent. And Liverpool does this to us, Nidhi. It makes us spend astronomical amount of money at times for just a period of 4-5 days. But it is so worth it, right? It is just so worth it. That was my favorite game, favorite experience at Anfield. We didn't win the league, but we won the Champions League that year, bro. Not bad, right?
We absolutely did. And, you know, that game, of course, I mean, that goal, nothing can come close to that, man. Like, you know, I remember celebrating that goal like an absolute madman as well. That goal was absolutely amazing.
I hope we can get to see more such games and just see any game. I think before we sign off, it's just so important to experience Anfield. It's a pilgrimage, and
I agree.
Every game that you see will be special.
I agree.
So Nidhi, this was video number 4 from Manager and the Monk. Nidhi, do you want to add anything?
Nothing. You go ahead. It's your stage today. You go ahead.
So this was episode number 4. Thank you so much everyone for watching my experience on my best game at Anfield. We're going to have many more videos coming in. Please do comment, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us.
And press the bell icon.
Press the bell icon and follow us on all social media platforms. And the more subscribers we get, more giveaways Nidhi will do because he's very rich. So we'll see you again very, very soon. See you, man. Bye, Nidhi.
Bye-bye.
Sí, Señor. something that the cop wants you to know. It's the best in the world and it will be fairly. No. I know when I give him the ball and he scored every time. See, senor, give it all to boy and he will score. It's something that the cop wants you to know. It's the best in the world and it will be fairly. No.